Welcome back to my channel. I am Tyrajaneaa, and today I will be doing a little vanity tour. This has been highly requested. People are always asking me like, oh my god, will you please do a vanity tour? Like we want to see your vanity, and I've been wanting to do one for a long time, but like I didn't feel like I had a lot to show at the time. But I feel like now my collection has grown a lot over the past 3 months. I was like, why not just do a little vanity tour and show all the crap that I own. I'm gonna start off by saying that 50% of the makeup that I own was gifted. All of it was pretty much sent from brands sending me makeup to try out. I did not buy a lot of this. So I also want to mention, because I forgot to mention it in the video, that the desk was from Wayfair. I got it 5 years ago. I'm not sure if they sell it, but if they do, I will link it below. Let's get into this little vanity tour. So I'm going to start off with my organizer that I got from Amazon. It was very cheap and it's not the best, but it keeps my stuff together, so whatever. So yeah, here are my concealers. And next to my concealers, I have my brow stuff, and I have a lot of brow stuff from ABH, and their new primer that they came out with recently, the eyebrow gel, some brow wiz, dip brow pomade, just a lot of stuff for eyebrows. So second one, we have my highlighters and used powders and stuff. Loose highlighter from ABH, the Wet n Wild Meg Glow highlighter, just a lot of different highlighters, and then over here I have just different powders for contouring and bronzers and all that crap. Okay, so next we have my foundations. I don't own a lot of foundation. I really want to expand my foundation collection because this is all I have at the moment. Okay, so I have some Makeup Forever. This is the NYX Total Control Foundation, Color Pop Foundation, the No Filter Foundation. Can't Stop, Won't Stop by NYX, Dewy and Smooth, and the True Match from L'Oreal. And with the last one, I have all my liquid lipsticks from ABH, and then a lot of lip gloss. And they really hooked me up when it came to lip products. I was not expecting for them to send me so many. Okay, so up here we have more brow products from ABH. I think this is the eyeliner from them and brow powder. Yeah, so here I have all my primers. We have the Dewy Set from ABH. That's a setting spray. The e.l.f. Hydrating Face Primer from Touch and Soul that I got from my BoxyCharm. Really love it. And then another primer from them as well that I've used. And then this is where I keep my beauty blenders, and they're very dirty right now because I have not found the time to go and clean them. So over here are all my palettes that I own. These are two Morphe palettes. I think the James Charles and the 39A palette. But yeah, so just different palettes. A lot of them from Morphe. This is a palette from Carity. I have these two palettes by Mood Beauty. These two palettes are from PYX. Violet Voss and Color Pop. And right here we have all of my ABH palettes, including the new Alyssa Edwards palette that they just launched. There's a lot more that I have in my little storage area that I can't all fit, and I'm waiting to get more storage so I can fit all my palettes on my vanity. All my brushes, they're very dirty right now because I haven't felt like cleaning them. But yeah, so I keep all of my single eyeshadow palettes right here. The pigments, and then back here, the box that the Alyssa Edwards palette came in, and I keep it on my vanity. Yeah, and that is everything on top of the vanity. Right here, I have all my lipsticks. I have some foundation sticks, also from ABH, lip liners, eyelash glue, and all my lashes. I have to take a lot of these out of the cases they came in, because a lot of them come in cases like this, and that can take a lot of space, so I took a lot of them out and just used the plastic cases. And then all my lip balm products and stuff. that is basically all that is on my vanity. Hope you enjoyed this little vanity tour. If there's any product that you were interested in, you can comment below and I can tell you where I got it from or what brand it is. So please like, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe. That helps me out a lot. Be sure to follow me on all my social medias. I'm Tyrajaneaa on Instagram, and Tyra with 2 A's, and Janae with 2 A's on Twitter. And that's all I have for today. So yeah, thank you for watching. Bye.